Really, I mean you no harm. However,
Thank you.
it is important to note that most of you will survive the next 24 hours. Previously, experiment dog. You were shook in no way to any of this personally. It's just business. So, just to recap, underneath, and you all will
Okay, boys, set the
Be careful.
terror level at...
Oh! Are you okay? Oh, okay. You're okay. Alright. Oh! Oh, you okay? Put that down. You okay? Oh, breathe. Just breathe. Okay. Alright. You're good. You're good. Hi, what you doing? Oh, are you okay? Oh, is my baby okay? You okay? Oh, sit up. Oh, sit forward. Oh.
He is pulling a fast one on
Okay.
you.
No, he coughed. Didn't you hear him? Oh, are you okay? You okay, huh?
He will have you running back all the time.
Oh, you okay?